Anyway, so today I'm going to do a super quick, super fast video on the quickest way to ruin your diamond painting. So, and I mean, obviously I knew about this, but I wasn't really paying attention. And I had almost finished this butterfly, and I was putting it away, and for some reason I had the top off, and I never keep this off. Like, I always kind of like work my way around and keep it attached, but for some reason I had taken this completely off. And I went to roll this up, and I put like the instructions on top of it, and as you can see, now it's almost done, but it's completely ruined because I have this paper on here, and I tried to get it off, and it's very hard, and I'm afraid that if I do get it off, it's just gonna take the adhesive with it, and it won't be sticky enough for the drills to like stay on here. I mean, I'm sure I can probably get it off, but it's stuck pretty good. And I guess I just like, I don't know, I just never really, I wasn't thinking. And it was an accident. Of course, I didn't intentionally try to put the thing on, but I was surprised, like, when I put it on, that it was not coming off. I mean, this is a very sticky adhesive, and the paper was on there for like, you know, a second, and I couldn't get it back off. So just a reminder, and I know most people who do diamond painting know not to do that, and that's why people, especially when they have the full drills, you see them only take off the portion they're working on and then put it back on so that you don't mess it up. But I mean, even this little tiny spot here, because that's all, you know, I basically pretty much had left. I mean, I was almost done. And so yeah, there's really, I don't know. I mean, if you have any tips on how to fix something like that, maybe you can scrape the paper off and get a spray adhesive on here and save it. Maybe I'll try that and see if that works. And if somebody does know that, you know, leave a comment below of your best fix of how to fix this. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.